lovely viewers, hope you are fine today. Today I am going to show latest collection. In this video I am going to show 22 karat hallmark earring design. So first design is very cute and very unique design. If you want, please screenshot this design. Only 22 karat hallmark earring, price 15,000 plus. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design. 22 karat Dubai earring design. Wow, so cute this design. Only 3 Anna. Wow, so cute. Only 3 Anna, and this price is 22,000 plus. 22 karat earring. Next do. Wow, so cute this design. If you want, please screenshot. Only 2 Anna. Sorry, only 3 Anna 1 roti. Wow, so cute this design. Next design is more beautiful. Its name Chan Bali. Wow, 22 karat Dubai 916 22 karat only 4 and this price 30,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous this collection. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design. 22 karat simple though, very attractive this design. Next design is more beautiful. Its name is Earth earring. Wow, so cute this design. 22 karat Earth earring. Just wow, this collection. Next design is more beautiful. 22 karat simple earring. If you want, please screenshot. Only 5 Anna, and this price is only 35,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous this collection. Next design is more beautiful. 22 karat earring. Wow, so cute this design. Only 5 Anna, and this price is only 36,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous this collection. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, only 5 Anna, and this price is only same. Next design is more beautiful. Only 2 Anna. 22 karat earring. Just look this collection, and this price same. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design. 22 karat Dubai jhumka earring. Only 5 and this price 36,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous, very adorable, and very cute this design. Next design is 22 karat jhumka earring. Only 6 Anna. Wow, so cute this design. Very attractive, very illegal this design. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous this collection. I always try to unique jewelers. So next design is more beautiful. It's just for your kids. Only 1 and 1 roti, and this price only 8,000 plus. 22 karat 916 Dubai unique earring. Very attractive. It's just for your gift, any person or any kids. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design. Only 1 and 5 roti. Wow, 21 karat. It's very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous plus. Next design is more beautiful. 22 karat simple earring. What, so this design is very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous new collection. Only 3 Anna, and this price 22,000 plus. Very attractive this design. If you want, please discussion. It's just for your kids. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design. It just screenshot this design. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Wow. Next design is more beautiful mini earring design. Only 3 Anna, and this price 22,000 plus. Very attractive this design. Very cute, very unique this design. It's just for kids. Wow, upper earring idul. Very attractive this.